going on YouTube? It's your boy Coach Rob 619 back with another review. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and continue to follow my videos. As you can see in the title, this is an unboxing video. Back in the day, a lot of people would always ask me to do unboxings. For some reason, I never did them. But I got a lot of stuff coming in, a lot of stuff I purchased, so I got a lot of unboxings. So let me take a sniff of this one out the bottle and see what I get. And obviously, like I said, I get the vintage vibe right off the top. I get the citrus, the kind of pineapple vibe, everything you get from vintage. But let me see how this works on my skin. Get a good spray, soft mist sprayer, and wow, this is real nice. I'm still getting the cologne vibe. Smells just like the cologne to me. And let it kind of dry down a little bit. And with these Roja Dove fragrances, you can tell right off the top, the quality is there, man. It's nice juice. You don't get that alcohol vibe some fragrances give you when you spray them. And the reason I got this one is because being it's a parfum version, it's supposed to last a little bit longer, give you better longevity than the cologne version. The cologne version lasted about 5 to 6 hours on my skin. Being parfum, I'm hoping I get about 8 to 10. But weird, on my skin, usually EDTs last longer than parfums on my skin for some reason. So this may be like the rest of them. But this is light. It's almost light like the cologne. I don't usually... fragrances that I can tell that's gonna last long on my skin, they have like a thick, like a rich kind of vibe on them when they hit my skin. And this one is still soft, it's light, similar to the cologne version, but hopefully it lasts on my skin. So to give my first impressions of what I think about this one, obviously smells like a vintage, but this has a better citrus, just like the cologne version has. It has a nice citrus that that a vintage does have. A vintage has like a more dense, richer, creamier kind of vibe. This has a more clean, a little bit more well blended, fresh, real appealing citrus. And as you guys know, I love citrus and aqua fragrances, so I'm actually digging this, man. But if you wear vintage, now that I smell like there's like a vetiver. There's like a kind of almost a grassy vetiver, not grassy, but a real fresh vetiver kind of developing that I don't smell in a vintage. So that's where this definitely differs. So this, if I was to wear this on my skin about 6 more hours, 5 more hours, like I definitely could see how this is changing from a vintage. But that opening is a vintage, the fruity vibe is a vintage. And I think there's like a little leather in here maybe that's kind of a vintage like But the citrus and that vetiver is steering this in a different direction than the vintage. But if you like a vintage, you'll like this. If you like great citrus fragrances, you'll like this. If you like mass appealing crowd pleasers, that I'm sure this is, you'll like this. So definitely, I'm gonna rock this a few more days and see what I think. But obviously, it's a great fragrance. Love at first sniff. So anyway, that's my unboxing. That's my first impressions of Roja Dove Elysium Parfum. Smells just like the cologne version to my nose, reminiscent of Aventus to my nose. You know, while I'm here, I got Bleu de Chanel. I have Bleu de Chanel right here, so I want to see if I can get this Bleu de Chanel comparison people talk about, because I just don't get it. Yeah. This has more of a pepper vibe. This is totally different. Yeah, this is totally different. I don't understand the Bleu de Chanel comparison. I'm not even gonna go into it, but it doesn't smell anything like this. This smells way closer to the vintage than Bleu de Chanel. But anyway, guys, that's my first impressions. Like I said, I'm gonna spend some more time with this, wear it to work, wear it out on the weekends, see what people say, really get more of a development, and then I'll come back with a full review of Elysium Parfum. Depending on what the ladies say, determines what I spray. Peace.